Nalaman ko yung ganitong negosyo through social media. And when I met my mentors and the owners, so nakilala ko sila, nakapag-build ng trust and good relationship, that's when I decided to join I Am Worldwide. Aside sa it has the best compensation plan, nagustuhan ko yung naka-align din siya sa God's plan, which is in Jeremiah 29 verse 11, that there's hope for people, for everyone, a better future. Hindi naman siya about religion, but it's awareness that there's hope for everyone. Marami akong naging struggle sa industry na to, sa negosyo na to, pero the major struggle will be rejections. Para sa lahat ng walang experience, knowledge, and skills about this business, it's the same sa akin. Pero one thing that I Am Worldwide taught me is lahat na pag-aaralan. As long as may perseverance ka at pagmamahal sa ginagawa mo, I'm sure matututunan mo talaga siya. And once matutunan mo siya, makakapagturo ka din sa iba. Makakatulong at makaka-inspire ka. Favorite part about I Am Worldwide? Well, kapag sineryoso mo kasi siya at saka ginawa mo siya, of course, yung income. Pero aside from that is yung lifestyle incentive wherein may free travel around the world. So, yung na-experience ko dito, yung makapag-travel ng iba't ibang bansa, yun ang pinaka-favorite ko kasi lahat paid, all expenses paid. Yung tour, yung airfare, yung hotel, pagkain, lahat. So, yung experience na yan, hindi mababayaran ng any amount of money. Grateful ako sa I Am Worldwide and thankful kasi nag-join ako tsaka win-workout ko siya because dito ko nakinita yung 10 million pesos ko in 3 years na never kong kinita sa dati kong trabaho. Also, nakabili din ako ng mga sarili kong car like yung first car ko, BMW. Then yung second car ko, incentive from the company, yung Chevrolet Corvette Stingray. Tapos nag-add ako ng third car which is yung Honda BRV. I also reached the Diamond Elite Executive rank. It's a position in a company na pwede kang kumita up to 800,000 pesos per week. But out of those amazing results is, syempre, yung benefits na mabibigay ko sa family ko. Pero, para sa akin, yung pinaka-success talaga is hindi lang ako yung pwedeng mag-achieve nitong mga to. Maraming pwedeng mag-achieve, especially yung mga taong nagtiwala under ng team namin. Right now, marami na rin kumita ng millions, may mga nakabili na rin ng mga sarili nilang car and condo. Maganda dyan is, eto yung success na hindi pang solo. Eto yung maging successful ka kasi marami rin mga naging successful dahil sa'yo. To all the members, it may seem hard or impossible, but as long as gagawin mo siya ng seryoso and i-work out mo siya, also add mo si God sa lahat ng plans mo, goals mo, and daily activities, I'm sure lahat yan magiging possible. To all the Filipinos out there na hindi pa part ng I Am Worldwide, give yourself a chance. There may be a lot of hearsay and negative feedback about what we do, pero I'm sure, pag ginawa mo tong sistema ng tama, malinis, at pagtulong sa kapwa ang goal mo, different ang magiging resulta mo. Decide to be part of I Am Worldwide because you won't regret joining. I am Kath Policarpio and I Am Worldwide.